Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to install NetSIM software in your system. A network simulator enables user to virtually create a network comprising of device, link, application, etc. and study the behavior and performance of the network. Some example application of network simulator are protocol performance analysis, application modeling and analysis, network design and planning, research and development of new networking technology, test and verification. The typical step followed when simulating any network are building the model, create a network with device, link, application, etc. Running the simulation, run the discrete event simulation and log different performance metrics. Visualization the simulation, use the packet animator to view the flow of packet, analyzing the result, developing your own protocol. Next, version of NetSIM. NetSIM is used by people from different areas such as academic, industries, and defense to design, simulate, analyze, and verify the performance of different network. NetSIM comes in three versions: academic, standard, and pro. The academic version is used for lab experiment and teaching. The standard version is used for research and development. The standard and pro version are available as component in NetSIM version 12, from which user can choose and assemble. Next, installation and license server setup. First, system requirement. Installing NetSIM. Install the 32-bit or 64-bit build of NetSIM depending on your PC platform. Based on the NetSIM version under installation, the version type being displayed in the following window. Setup. Prepare the installation wizard and software installation begin with a welcome screen. Click on next button to continue with the installation. License agreement will be displayed. Read the agreement carefully. Scroll down to read the complete license agreement. Click on I agree button, else quit the setup. If you agree with the license agreement, you will be prompted to select either one of the installation option: Express or Custom. Express installation will install the third-party tools. Custom installation is the step-by-step approach. Both the installation methods are explained below. Choose the Express option and click on the Install button. NetSIM installation start and user can see the third-party tools are getting installed one by one. After the third party installation, NetSim installation further proceed. Once it is completed, NetSim complete setup wizard appears as shown below. Otherwise, choose the custom step-by-step option and click on the install button. Now the user will be prompted to select the component to be installed. The list of the component is available for selection and assembly only in the standard and pro version of NetSim. NetSim Academy version is available. Thank you everyone.